Hello everyone, welcome back to my High Celebrities news channel. The story for today is they've been doing their best to keep a low profile in Blac Chyna's $108 million lawsuit against them, with the Kardashian family yet to be pictured in court. But thanks to some rather unflattering courtroom sketches, the appearances of Kim Kardashian and her sisters Khloe and Kylie, as well as momager Kris Jenner, have now become a talking point online, where social media users have been left in stitches by the portraits of the famous siblings. The court sketches from the Blac Chyna court case are brutal, one fan wrote, as the illustrations set Twitter ablaze on Tuesday. Kim is going to sue the hell out of this courtroom sketch artist, another Twitter user joked, while one person remarked that the artist must hate Kylie for her harsh representation in the sketch. Others suggested that the courtroom drawings of the reality stars indicate just how much their faces have changed over the years, with one person describing them as showing how they have deformed themselves. The courtroom sketch artist is clearly not a Kardashian fan, the Twitter user wrote, adding, "These ugly depictions of Kim, Khloe, and Kylie are hysterical and speak to how they have deformed themselves in a very unattractive way. Good on Kris though, she looks good." Meanwhile, some joked that the courtroom sketch artist must be Team Chyna as the reality star fared much better in the illustrations. Chyna, whose real name is Angela White, is seeking $108 million in damages, according to court documents. $44 million for past economic damage and $64 million for future economic damage. Kris, Kylie, Kim and co are named as defendants in the case, charged by Chyna, ex-fiancé of Kim's brother Rob, with causing her and Rob's hit show, Rob and Chyna, to be cancelled. They have not yet been pictured at the Los Angeles court, with the sketches serving as the only visible representation of their attendance at the legal proceedings, much to the delight of social media. The sketches are the work of illustrator Mona Schaefer-Edwards, who states on her website that her work has covered everything from courtroom drama to fashion. Previous courtroom sketches included on her site feature the likes of Michael Jackson and O.J. Simpson. The illustrator describes herself as bringing a fluid, elegant and evocative style to her work, although her latest drawings of the Kardashians don't appear to have impressed social media. Last week, the Kardashians' attorney, Michael Rhodes, filed a huge list of exhibits 42 pages long with more than 540 items he intends to bring to court. The list includes dozens of aired and unaired video clips from Rob and Chyna, excerpts from Keeping Up with the Kardashians, texts and social media postings between various Kardashian family members and others involved in the case. It also includes Chyna's pay stubs, photos of Chyna with Kim and other Kardashians, YouTube videos and news reports. Chyna claims the $44 million was the amount she could have earned from her TV show, club appearances and the internet over the past 5 years if Rob and Chyna had not been cancelled in 2017. And the $64 million is her estimate of what she could have earned in the future, said her attorney, Lynn Ciani, in court papers, had Chyna not been essentially blackballed by Hollywood after the Kardashians defamed her and got her no. One hit show cancelled. The Kardashians' lawyer, Michael Rhodes, scoffed at Chyna's $108 million damages estimate, calling it speculation and guesswork, in court documents. Rhodes has filed a motion calling for Chyna's defense team to be banned from mentioning the wealth of the Kardashians during the trial, claiming it could influence the jury. The sole purpose in referencing defendants' wealth and financial condition is to inflame and unduly prejudice the jury against defendants, he wrote in his motion. But Chyna's lawyer, Ciani, has filed an objection to that motion, saying, defendants routinely flaunt their wealth in their business dealings and on their reality TV show, Keeping Up with the Kardashians. It simply will not be feasible to caution witnesses not to refer to the defendants' wealth because their wealth permeates their entire essence. The Kardashians tried to settle out of court with Chyna last week to avoid going to trial, it was revealed at a pre-trial hearing last Friday. That is all for today news. Please make sure to leave your comment and subscribe the channel below for more news update. Thank you for watching.